In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect email to ManyChat. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end you'll have your email fully connected and ready to use inside your ManyChat account. First, log into your ManyChat account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll see a menu with several options. Find the one labeled Settings with a small gear icon next to it and click on that. This is where you control most of the behind-the-scenes configuration for your account. Inside the settings area, look again at the left sidebar. You'll see a section called Channels. This is where you connect different communication channels to ManyChat, like Facebook, Instagram, SMS, and in this case, email. Under Channels, click on Email. Now you're inside the email settings. Here, you should see a button that says Connect. Go ahead and click this button to start the setup process. A pop-up window will appear asking for some basic information about your company or organization. In the first field, type in your business or organization name. This helps ManyChat identify who is sending the emails. Next, you'll see fields for your physical address. Enter your country, city, street, and postal code. This information is important because most email marketing platforms require a valid physical address for compliance and deliverability reasons. When you've filled everything in accurately, click Save to continue. After saving, scroll down to the bottom of the email settings page. You'll find a section labeled Send From. This is where you tell ManyChat which email address you want your messages to be sent from. Just under that heading, you'll see a button that says Plus New Address. Click this button to add your sending details. A new pop-up will open. In the first field, enter your business or organization's email address. This should be a professional email that you want your subscribers to see as the sender. Then, add a sender name. This is the name that will appear in your recipients' inboxes, so choose something recognizable, like your brand or company name. Lastly, you'll see a reply to field. Enter the email address where you want people to send their replies. In many cases, this can be the same as your sending email, but you can use a different one if you prefer to manage replies from another inbox. When you're done, click Add Address at the bottom right of the pop-up. To finish the process, go to the inbox of the email address you just added. ManyChat will send a verification email to confirm that you own it. Open that email and click the verification link inside. Once you've verified it, your email address is fully connected to ManyChat, and you're ready to start sending emails through your flows and campaigns.